Hi folks, Don from the Blue Sage Merchant here. We're an eBay drop-off store and have thousands of treasures come across our desk. Today we have a Bernina 780 sewing machine. It looks great and operates smooth, but we need to find out the hours of use and the stitch count by the previous owner to determine how exactly used this quilting machine is. First, we need to make sure that the machine is off. There we go. Then, turn it back on. And hold down the return button. See that button here? You got to hold it for a minute or two. Keep holding that button. Okay, the utility screen has come up. There. Release the clear button and then touch the I for information button. Then touch the clock button. We'll start with the hours of use. There. Now you can see time power on, time working, even sewing, BSR, and embroidery time. Time working on this unit was 158 plus hours. That's real low. Now, hit the X button, and then the stitch count button here. There. Now we can see the total stitches, 5,230,000. Well, that seems like a lot, but that is a low stitch count. You can see the BSR and sewing and embroidery stitch count as well. Hit the X button, and then for bonus points, here, hit the service button. It's the little man symbol, I guess, there. Stitches since last lubrication, stitches since last service. Hit the forward arrow key, and then you can see if and when it's ever been serviced before. I hope this handy trick has been helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel and check out this channel for more quality treasures. Thanks for watching.